guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator. और आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ the honest review on the newly launched UV Squad sunscreen gel, which has been launched in two different variants, which is the hyaluronic acid as well as the niacinamide. So we will talk about the formulation, the product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator. और आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ the honest review on the newly launched UV Squad sunscreen gel, which has been launched in two different variants, which is the hyaluronic acid as well as the niacinamide. So we will talk about the formulation, the product, as well as we'll be doing some swatches onto the face. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. Guys, so before getting started with the actual product application and the review of how the product actually is, let me just give you a brief about the brand. So I think a lot of you must have heard about the brand Acne Squad. ये उन लोगों का ही एक extended version है on the UV range, which is the UV Squad. But this particular launch has, totally been focusing on the sunscreen genre. They have recently launched two different sunscreens with SPF 50. Now when there is SPF 50, there is me, because I love using sun protection 50, but I have been using SPF 50 sunscreens over 2 to 3 years now, so I can be the perfect judge to see whether the product is actually worth your money or not. So now let's get into the product review and see how the product or the packaging and everything looks like. So if we talk about the packaging looks something like this. दोनों ही product एक ही type के packaging में आता है. Now all the details related to the product कि मतलब उसमें क्या है, कौन सा formulation use किया गया है, everything is written right in front of it. And here we can see there is the MRP tag as well as the expiry date tags. So it is expiring on 2026 and has been made on 23. So that means it has over 3 years of usability thing. The product look pretty simple and sleek because it does not have any extra packaging, which I really like, because when I open a PR box, I try to give the packaging some kind of points, because obviously the brand spends some amount of time on making it. So I think it's a pretty good box, which is obviously indicating that there's yellow, there's white. Obviously it's giving the vibe of sun. First product that we are going to talk about is the UV Squad sunscreen gel, niacinamide and pro-ceramide for radiant skin. Now when we talk about radiant skin, we always think about getting a white toned skin. Let me just correct you there. Radiant skin means giving a glow to your face. Now that glow can be instant, or that glow can be buildable. Like if you are putting the product for a longer period of time, like for at least over 7 to 14 days, then you can be able to see whether your skin is getting radiant or not. But sometime in sunscreen there are some particles which give you instant radiance. So we will see which one fits in this criteria. And this product is SPF 50 PA+++. It has UVA, UVB and blue light protection, which means like if you are working in front of your laptop or working in your phone or sitting in your office, if you're putting this, it will keep your skin protected from that also. Now let's talk about some of the claims that has been claimed by the brand, which is that it is tested with dermatologist and it is non-comedogenic, as well as it does not have any white cast. So this is what the formula looks like, and this is not runny, which is a good thing. हल्के से भी अगर मैं इसको blend करूँगी, so it will definitely blends into my skin. It is pretty smooth and it has this tulsi patta type fragrance, which is I think it might have because of the medicinal herbs, but the fragrance is not bothering me. I really don't like fragrant skincare product, but it's kind of okay. And as you can see, there is no white cast as such. So let's put it on to my face. I will apply the niacinamide one on the left side of my face and the hyaluronic one on the right side. Always when you are applying sunscreen, try to do this technique. Take your two fingers, apply sunscreen on both of your fingers and then apply the product. This is a very good technique. इससे आप क्या होता है कि ज़्यादा product भी face पे नहीं लगता है और कम भी नहीं लगता है. It gives you an accurate amount of product. So as you can see, there is some radiance going on to my face. Like if I compare both the sides of my face, this side is pretty normal how it's supposed to look, but when I have applied sunscreen on the left side, it is giving this slightish glow, which is very good, and it has a dewy finish definitely because it is giving some dewy effect onto my face. Now let's apply the hyaluronic one. Now the next product that we have is the UV Squad Sunscreen Gel with hyaluronic acid and proceramide, and this claims to hydrate your skin. Well, as the last one that it claims to be a radiant product, this helps in hydrating, so that will be a bit mattifying because hydrating product are usually a bit of mattifying product altogether. This also has SPF 50 PA++ and UVA, UVB and blue light protection. Also, this product claims to be zero white cast and it helps in replenishing your skin moisturizing balance and maintain your skin healthy balance. So altogether, both of the products are more or less same, but obviously as they have two major different ingredient onto it, which is the niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, there are some difference particularly. So let's apply the product now. Now let's apply this hyaluronic one on the right side of my face. I will do the same technique with the two fingers. It is a bit thick comparative to the niacinamide one. Probably this will be a bit mattish. So this is also giving me a bit of radiance, but this one is a bit more radiant because this has a dewy and a bit creamy finish. This has a bit thick and matte finish, but it is also definitely giving some kind of glow. So let me just put on some makeup and then I'm coming back to you with my final verdict. So ये दो products का final verdict will definitely must buy product because ये दोनों ही अपने end से बहुत अच्छे products हैं. This is the second file, this is a new one. मेरे पास एक और product है मतलब UV Squad का that I have been using for like more than 3 months, क्योंकि जब उन्होंने ये launch किया था तभी उन्होंने एक PR package मुझे भेजा था and I had used that product for 3 months and I ran out of that. Now I again ordered it from Amazon. पिछले वाला उन्होंने शायद नायका से send किया था and this one is from Amazon and this is a very good deal because niacinamide वाला आपको 349 के around मिल जाएगा. So yeah, this was it. This was my final verdict. I really hope you guys liked this video and find it helpful. And if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. And also there's a lot of new contents coming up because I am finally back from my vacation. I have a lot in my mind which I want to share with you guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and keep me supporting and keep showing your love on all of my contents like you guys do.